I welcome you to the 332nd Fighter Group. You're fighter pilots.
The expectations placed upon you men are high. We have a right to fight for our country, the same as every other American.
I'm the best pilot in the whole damn army.
Only one way to find out.
We're given hand-me-down planes,
We're losing them!
I feel like I'm flying my grandfather's Buick.
hoping that we would just limp along and go away. We will not go away.
Right like that.
Now that's how it's done.
Careful, he's good.
Show you a little trick I learned. How'd he do that?
To the last bullet, to the last minute, to the last man, we fight! We fight! We fight! We fight! We fight! We fight!